let's cover why you first must be user focused. This is a holdover from last year. I think it was even a holdover from the year before that. And I carried this topic over from last year because it really continues to be a major impactor and very important here in 2024. Google is all about the user, okay? All about it. So you need to be user focused because that's what Google is focused on. And all the things that Google's been doing is to really make it a better user experience overall. Okay, and we'll kind of come back to this a lot as we go through some of the information here. So always focus on your customers' wants and the needs of the customer, right? What are they seeking out? The thing they're searching for. Why are they seeking it out? I'm sorry, right? What's going on? What's going on in their world? What do they really want? What do they need, right? What pain are they in, or what problem do they need to solve? And what do you offer that's better than anybody else? I always say when you go to a search engine for any reason, you're searching with intent, right? You're looking for something, whether that be information, whether that be to purchase something, whether it's directions, who starred in that movie, finding a new dentist, getting some pet food for an oversized dog. You have a reason to go. And every time we're in search, we have intent. And so you have a need. And the goal is to figure out what is your best customers' needs and wants and provide information for them. And take that content that you're putting out there and make sure that you focus on value for the client, right? The user, trust, so that, you're not playing games with them, that they're upfront, they know, you're the best, and reliability. And you want to talk to your customers directly about this stuff, right? People that regulars, ask them, like, what was their journey to purchase, right? Did, they go to the doctor? We'll go back to the vet thing. To the large dog. Did they go to the vet? The vet says, man, your dog's really overweight. You've got to get him on some specialty food. And then you go, okay, well, you get online, you search for, pet food for oversized dogs. And there's a need, right? They want their dog to stay healthy. They get on the web. They look for some information. You want to be the one showing that, right? What did they think of your website when they got there? I have a client right now who has amazing information, great products, and quite honestly, their website sucks. It's horrible. And everyone on my team that looks at it goes, oh, really? And we keep trying to, we're not web designing for them, we're optimizing, but there's so many problems from the user perspective that it's really difficult to work on the site. And as a user, I'd be frustrated as hell on this website. And we keep trying to get them to change things and whatnot, but it's been frustrating. So you want to use this kind of data in every decision that you make about what you're going to do with your website, right? The who, what, where, when, why, and how for your users, what makes it valuable for them.